In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Myanmar Unicode keyboard on Windows 11. If you're looking to type in Myanmar language or Burmese on your Windows device, this guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring a smooth setup. First, we need to add the Myanmar language to your Windows system. Let's start by opening the settings. You can do this quickly and easily by pressing the Windows key and the I key simultaneously, which will bring up the settings window. Once you're in settings, head over to Time and Language. You will find this option in the left-hand menu. Click on it and then proceed to Language and Region, which will allow you to manage the languages installed on your system. Here you'll notice an option that says Add a Language. Go ahead and click on this. Now we need to find the Myanmar language. In the search bar, type in Myanmar or Burmese. You should see Myanmar appear in the search results. Select it and then click Next, followed by Install. This will add the Myanmar language to your system, and it shouldn't take too long for the installation to complete. The next step is to add the Myanmar keyboard. While you're still in the Language and Region section, you'll see a list of installed languages. Find Myanmar in this list. On the right side, you'll notice an icon represented by 3 dots. Click on this icon and then select Language Options. In the Language Options, you will find a section called Keyboards. Click on Add a Keyboard and another list will appear. Here, you can choose the keyboard layout that best fits your needs. If Myanmar Unicode is available on your build, select it to proceed. This ensures that your typing will accurately reflect the intended characters in the Myanmar script. Finally, let's talk about switching between English and Myanmar whenever you need to type in different languages. Windows 11 provides convenient shortcuts to make this a seamless experience. You can use the Windows key and spacebar together to toggle between the installed languages. Alternatively, you can use another shortcut by pressing Alt and Shift at the same time. This enables you to quickly choose Myanmar from your language list whenever you need to switch from English or any other language you might be using. And there you have it. You've successfully added the Myanmar Unicode keyboard to your Windows 11 system. This setup allows you to begin typing in Myanmar with ease and efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy typing!